Ukhomishana wamaphoyisa kuzwelonke uJenene Fani Masemula uthi lezi zinsiza kusebenza ezidluliselwe embuthweni wamaphoyisa namhlanje zizolekelela kakhulu ekuqinisekiseni ukuphepha okhethweni lohulumeni bezindawo ngonyaka ozayo.
This new fleet will play a critical role in responding to organized crime incidents such as cash in transit heists, hijackings, armed robberies, including many other serious and violent crimes.
Masemula uphinde wathi lezi zinsiza zizolekelela kakhulu emkhankasweni wokulwa nokumbiwa kwegolide ngokungemthetho.
Just this week, we accomplished arrests of 17,247 to be exact for various offenses ranging from illegal possession of firearms and ammunition amongst them, and of course also in areas where illegal mining is taking place.
Kusenjalo obambe njengongqongqoshe wamaphoyisa uthi Oscar Mabhande abehluleki ukuvikela umphakathi nakuba izinsiza kusebenza zingenele.
There is justified public concern about the levels of crime in our society and about the capabilities of our police service. But I can say, after 2 months having this responsibility, that there are many police officers at all levels who are fit for purpose.
Ubuholi bamaphoyisa buthi bunethemba lokuthi amaphoyisa azobuyelwa ithemba kubona futhi azobona ukuthi azimisele ukuthi lo mbutho ubuyelwe isithunzi.